All right, join me as we look at this question, WASSCE 2024 September edition. The table describes the relation y equals to mx plus c, where the m and c are constant to be determined. We are using the information in the table to find the gradient in question 25. What is the gradient of the equation? Then 26, we have to find the equation of the line that will be describing the y equals to mx plus c. Now, we know how to find gradient. Gradient is what? In order to find question 25, we know gradient as m is what? The change on the y-axis over the change on the x-axis. If you picked any 2 points, let's say we are picking this point and this point. This become y1, y2, x1, x2. So we are finding the changes. So that will give us 4 minus 3, the changes between the two y values. Then the changes will be 6 minus what? 4. 4 minus 3 will give you 1. 6 minus 4 will give you 2. So the gradient you are looking for is in the sense of what? A, 1 over 2. For the question 25, finding an equation, we know we are going to use any of the points. So let's say, using the point, x-axis 0, y-axis 1. And our gradient to be 1 over 2. We can find the equation, knowing very well that it is given by y minus y1 mx minus what? x1. The m is the gradient, the y1 is the value we have there. So y minus 1 equals to 1 out of 2, x minus what? 0. Is that what it is? In the case of this, we are going to multiply both sides by 2, since we are having a fraction. So I'll be having 2y minus 2 equals to x. Why only x? If you multiply here, you'll be having 1 times x minus 0 times 1, which will all equals to what? X. So what do? We can transpose this to have 2y equals to x. Negative x, 2 become what? Positive 2. The next is to divide by what? The 2 in order to make y stand alone. By looking through the options, we can see 2y equals to x plus 2 is exactly what we are seeing here. So we can end it here and say our option is going to be option B. That will be the equation of the line described by this table. I guess you get a concept employed in this. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, subscribe, and share.